Hello friends, I am Meghna Parikh and today we are here to start the lecture series of the Mathematics 1. Today we are start from the partial derivative lecture number 3. In first session we are discuss about the limit, continuity, example of limit and partial derivative first order. Now taking example, if resistors of R1 and R2 and R3 ohms are connected in parallel to make an R ohm resistors, the value of R can be found from the equation 1 upon R equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3. Then find value of del R by del R2 when R1 30 ohms, R2 equal to 45 ohms and R3 equal to 90 ohms. Solution. Here 1 upon R equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3. Differentiate with respect to R2, we get del by del R2 1 upon R equal to del by del R2 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3. Now differentiate, then we getting minus 1 upon R square del R by del R2 equal to 0 minus 1 upon R2 square plus 0 because R1 and R3 are constant with respect to R2. Then del R by del R2, we getting R square upon R2 square, so we get R upon R2 whole square, that is the equation number 2. When R1 equal to 30 ohms, R2 equal to 45 ohms and R3 equal to 90 ohms, from the equation 1, 1 upon R equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3. Then equal to 1 upon 30 plus 1 upon 45 plus 1 upon 90 due to R1 equal to 30, R2 equal to 45 and R3 equal to 90. Then solve this using LCM, we getting 6 by 90 and 1 upon R equal to 1 by 15. So R equal to 15. So this is the answer of the resistors. Now from the equation del R by del R2 equal to R upon R2 whole square. So we are taking R equal to 15 and R2 equal to 45, put the value R and R2, we getting 1 by 3 whole square 1 by 9. If we are taking next example, if U equal to log 10x plus 10y plus 10z, then we have to prove that sin 2x del u by del x plus sin 2y del u by del y plus sin 2z del u by del z equal to 2. Okay. Then solution. If we are taking u equal to log, natural log 10x plus 10y plus 10z del u by del x equal to 1 upon 10x plus 10y 10z into sec square x. Why we are taking this formation? See, if we are differentiate u with respect to x, then 10y and 10z are constant. So differentiation of 10x is sec square x. So why we are multiplying with the sec square x. Sin 2x del u by del x equal to sin 2x sec square x upon 10x plus 10y 10z. Sin 2x equal to del u by del x plus 2 sin x cos x 1 upon cos square x 10x plus 10y plus 10z. We are multiplying sin 2x both the sides and after that we are taking a trigonometry formula of sin 2x 2 sin x cos x. So we get sin 2x del u by del x equal to cos x and cos x cut, so we getting 2 10x upon 10x plus 10y plus 10z, that is the equation 1. Let u equal to log 10x plus 10y plus 10z, then we are taking del u by del y. For these x and z are constant, so into sec square y. Sin 2y del u by del y, we are taking sin 2y both the sides, so sin 2y into sec square y upon 10x plus 10y plus 10z. Okay, now what is the sin 2y? Sin 2y is 2 sin y cos y. So we are taking sec square y as a 1 upon cos square y, then we get sin 2y del u by del y equal to 2 10y upon 10x plus 10y plus 10z, equation number 2. Then del u by del z equal to 1 upon 10x plus 10y plus 10z into sec square z. In that case y and x are constant with respect to z. So similarly we are getting sin 2z equal to 2 tan z upon tan x plus tan y tan z, equation number 3. Using equation 1, 2 and 3, left hand side we are taking sin 2x del u by del x, sin 2y del u by del y, sin 2z del u by del z. What is our sin 2x del u by del x? That is 2 tan x upon tan x plus tan y plus tan z. Similarly, for the second term we are getting 2 tan y, and for the third term we are getting in numerator 2 tan z. Denominator are same for the 3 term. Add this term, we getting 2 tan x plus tan y plus tan z, and in denominator also we get tan x plus tan y plus tan z. Both are cut out, so we getting 2. Hence proved, RHS. Okay, clear? Now we are taking third example. If u equal to exponential e raised to x y z x plus y plus z upon e raised to x plus e raised to y plus e raised to z, prove that means left hand side you have to prove ux plus uy plus uz equal to 2y. Okay, now similarly we are taking u equal to e raised to x plus y plus z upon e raised to x plus e raised to y plus e raised to z. Differentiate with respect to x, we are taking u by v formation. So upon e raised to x plus e raised to y plus e raised to z whole square. In the numerator v as it is, differentiation of u as it is due to exponential function, minus u as it is, differentiation of v. In denominator we have exponential function in addition form. So e raised to y and e raised to z are constant with respect to x. So it is 0. We are getting only e raised to x. Solve this, we getting formation e raised to x plus e raised to y plus e raised to z into e raised to x plus y plus z minus e raised to x plus y plus z into e raised to x upon e raised to x plus e raised to y plus e raised to z whole square. That is equation 1. Similarly, we are getting in for the del u by del y only in numerator there is a normal change, e raised to x is replaced by e raised to y. And similarly for u of z, del u by del z is replaced by e raised to z. So equation number 1, 2 and 3, we are taking LHS and put 3 of equations and solve by LCM. Because of denominator are same, we are adding numerator term. So 3 e raised to x, e raised to y, e raised to z are common in 3rd term, and e raised to x plus y plus z also common. So we are taking 3 into e raised to x plus e raised to y plus e raised to z into e raised to x, e raised to y plus e raised to z minus e raised to x plus y plus z into e raised to x minus e raised to x plus y plus z into e raised to y minus e raised to x plus y plus z into e raised to z. Solve this, we are taking e raised to x plus y, e raised to y plus e raised to z into e raised to x plus y plus z minus e raised to x plus y plus z is common and taking e raised to x, e raised to y, e raised to z in one bracket. So for this we are getting this term 2 e raised to x plus e raised to y plus e raised to z into e raised to x plus y plus z. So we are take numerator and denominator, one term is cut out. So e raised to x plus y plus z, e raised to x plus e raised to y plus e raised to z. This is our u. So answer is 2u. It's a RHS. Clear? So those 3 are examples for the first order derivative of the 3 variables. If u equal to log x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz, then prove that del by del x plus del by del y plus del by del z whole square u equal to 9 upon x plus y plus z whole square. Now we are taking del by del x plus del by del y plus del by del z whole square u equal to del by del x plus del by del y plus del by del z. We are separating whole square in 2 terms. So whole square is write down as a single term. in the right hand side. Okay. For the equation 1, we are taking u equal to log x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz and differentiate with respect to x. If we are differentiating, then differentiation of log x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. So differentiation of these 1 upon x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz and differentiation of function x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. So differentiation of x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is with respect to x only 3x square and minus 3yz due to y and z are constant with respect to x. So it is 0. So we get 3x square minus 3yz upon x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. Similarly, del u by del y 3y square minus 3xz upon x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. Similarly for del u by del z, in numerator 3z square minus 3xy x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. We are adding whole 3 term. We get 3x square minus 3yz plus 3y square minus 3xz square plus 3z square minus 3xy. In denominator all are same. So removing 3, x square minus yz plus y square minus xz plus z square minus xy is remaining term. If it is remaining term, in denominator we are taking x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. The formation of x plus y plus z, x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. So both term are eliminating in numerator from the denominator. So we getting 3 upon x plus y plus z. From the equation 1, what is our equation 1? Del by del x plus del by del y plus del by del z into del u by del x plus del u by del y plus del u by del z. So del by del x plus del by del y plus del by del z into 3x plus y plus z. So multiplying with this, we get minus 3 upon x plus y plus whole z square, because differentiation of 3 upon x plus y plus z, then we are taking differentiation of with respect to y, and in the third term we are taking differentiation of with respect to z. So we getting 9 upon x plus y plus z whole square, and due to differentiation we are getting minus sign. Some examples for the yourself, do yourself. Thank you.